Hey, welcome to this Android channel, and this is a very important message for anyone that has an Android phone or tablet. In the past few days, there has been a lot of reports of something new called Viking Horde. It's a new type of Android malware, and the worst thing is that it's actually something you can get through Google Play if you're on Google Play Store. So basically, it's a team called the Checkpoint Research Team that uncovered a new Android malware campaign on Google Play. It calls Viking Horde. Viking Horde conducts ad fraud, but also can be used for attack purposes like DDoS attacks, which means that all of the devices basically are used to attack a website. So by denial of service, because too many people are actually asking for the same website, it can take them down. It can send spam messages and do much more. There's at least 5 instances of Viking Horde managed to bypass the Google Play malware scams so far. As you know the Google Play Store on Android is actually checked regularly for malware, but this seems to have really crossed. So, whatever device you have, rooted or not, Viking Horde creates a botnet that uses proxied IP addresses to disguise ad clicks, generating revenue for the attacker. A botnet is a group of devices controlled by hackers without the knowledge of owners, so your device is used by somebody else, basically. The bots are used for various reasons based on the distributed computing capabilities of all devices. The larger the botnet, the greater its capabilities, basically. So on rooted device, Viking Horde delivers additional malware payloads and can execute any code remotely, potentially compromising the security of data on your device. So Viking Horde is something you get on the Play Store. And this is the first app that they've discovered that Viking Horde exists. If you've played or used or have Viking Jump, this is one of the first known app that was checked with basically this malware installed, or this virus installed, basically. So this was uploaded, by the way, from 15,000 to about 100,000 downloads in some local markets. So it's pretty amazing. Here are all the apps that so far we know are bad for your Android device. So avoid these 5 apps that you see here: Viking Jump, Parrot Copter, Wi-Fi Plus, Memory Booster, and Simple 2048. These are extremely dangerous to have on your device, and you should not at all use this. So for now, that's pretty much what we know, and I would guess that they'll be removed from the Play Store eventually soon. But be very careful, because this really is something bad. And you know, basically the Viking Horde malware uses several techniques to remain on the device. First, the Viking Horde installs several components with system-related names so that it's hard to locate and uninstall. If the device is rooted, 2 more options are set in place. App exec component monitors the main application's existence. The user uninstalled the main application, decrypts a component called com.android.security, and silently installs it. This component will be hidden and run after boot. This component is a copy of itself and has the same capabilities. So basically, it's a very dangerous thing, and make sure you don't have something called Wi-Fi Plus, Parrot Copter, Memory Booster, Simple 2048, and Viking Jump. It's very important to remove all of that. And you know what? It's not just enough to remove them, but if you have downloaded one of these things, it might actually be wise to totally reset your phone and have it restart from scratch. to make sure that you don't have anything installed. So, warning, Viking Horde is here and it can attack your Android tablet or phone. Just make sure that you don't download any of these apps. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hopefully, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, let us know.